Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up to Nord VPN. Why would you want to sign up for a VPN? Well, a VPN is a virtual private network. It creates a secure connection between your computer and the destination computer, i.e. a website. And this VPN tunnel is like a secret passageway between your computer and a website, which means it's almost impossible for hackers or for prying eyes to access the information that you're sending. The information will be encrypted to the level where it's virtually impossible for anyone to hack it. Every computer also has an IP address, a bit like a physical address of a house. The VPN will disguise this IP address so it actually looks like you're in a different physical location. You can normally choose which location you want to be in or what country you want to be in for the duration of while you're using the VPN. Okay, so I recommend that you use Nord VPN. Nord VPN is currently UK PC Mag's editor's choice for 2023. You can see the review by going to their website. I'm not going to go into the reviews of it, but it stacks up pretty well against the competition. To sign up for Nord VPN, we're going to go to their website. And very often they'll have a deal as well. So we can get the deal here. And I recommend the standard version's enough over here. You'll get the secure high-speed VPN, which is the main thing that you want. You also get malware protection, tracker and ad blocker as well. These are the bells and whistles that you get with the higher end. The standard version gives you what you want, which is the high-speed VPN secure tunneling. So let's get the standard version. It's $2.99 a month, so it's $71.76 for the first 2 years. Okay, so put your email address in, select your payment method, fill in the details and make the payments. Okay, so we've made the payments and now it gives us the option to download the app onto the computer, and you can do this if you're using a mobile as well. We're using Windows 10 here, so we're just going to download, and now it's downloaded. If we go down to the left hand corner down here and if we click on open, this is going to continue with the setup of the VPN on our computer. You should be able to install it on, you get to install it on different devices as well. Okay, we're going to create a desktop shortcut and it's now going to install. We'll come back in a few minutes. We're not going to bother with the password manager. You can if you want to, but it's the main VPN tool that we want, so leave that checked and finish. Okie dokie, so I'm guessing you've already created your login details. If you haven't, go to login. Okay, now you're logged in, you can open Nord VPN. So let's get set up then. Unclick Auto Connect because we want to be able to connect to it manually. You may want to connect to it as soon as your computer boots up, but me personally, I don't always like to browse with a VPN because it can slow things down a little bit sometimes. And also some services you might use, such as the BBC iPlayer, can become problematic when you're using a VPN. So just for now, I'm going to put never. Everything else there looks good. We're going to click on next. I don't want to add these other tools to the VPN, so we're going to click on finish. So this is our VPN tool here. You can also find it in the system tray down here, and this is the symbol for Nord VPN here. So let's just imagine you booted your computer up and you want to use the VPN for whatever reason. You can click onto this symbol down here, left click onto it, and it opens up the interface. And if you just wanted to go for it straight away, you can click on Quick Connect. It will find the quickest VPN service for you, which normally will be near where you live. In this case, I'm in the UK. Okay, and there we are, we're connected. So we're connected to a London server at the moment. I'm actually based in the West Midlands. So if anyone was to see my IP address, it would think that I'm actually based in London. If you want to terminate the VPN connection, you can just click on the button here. That should stop it. And if you want to pick a particular country, if you wanted anyone who was observing your computer connection, such as internet providers, you can click on whichever country you want. If I just scroll out here, you can choose somewhere in the United States if you like. I'm just going to pick somewhere over here. And I've just connected to the United States. So anyone that was observing the connection, such as an internet provider, they would actually think that I was based in the US while this is connected. So there you go. You can choose any country you like. You can zoom in and collect whichever one you want. But normally, as a rule, the Quick Connect option is the best one to go for because it will connect to the nearest VPN servers it can find to where you live, offering the fastest internet connection speed for you.